Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Biotique Mountain Ebony Vitalising Serum for falling hair. This is supposed to be an intensive hair growth treatment with lots of natural ingredients. So as I show you the application process that I usually follow, I'll also discuss about the product a little bit. So what I do is in my dry hair, I make sections of my hair, parting my hair at the roots and pouring out the product directly onto my hair roots. I don't like to do the cotton wool way because I just feel it wastes a lot of product. So rubbing in the product gently as I pour it out. As you can see, it's of a very runny consistency. It does call itself a serum, but as we understand serums to be applied on hair ends, this is to be applied in the hair roots. Now let me tell you something about its contents. It contains kachnar stem, pudina oil, kusumbi oil, neem bark, pipli fruit, mulethi stem and purified water. And you're supposed to apply a small amount to dry scalp and massage it in gently with circular movements. And it's like a leave-on. You don't need to wash your hair after this, so there is no sticky after feel. And this intensive serum is supposed to help stimulate new and healthy hair growth, and it's supposed to leave the scalp feeling exhilarated, free from dryness and irritation. Now dandruff and hair fall are something that I have struggled with for many years, and I've used all kinds of treatments for my dandruff. But when I apply this product, again I wouldn't say that this is a 100% cure for dandruff, but it does give me some relief from an itchy scalp, especially in summers. When I apply it, it makes the scalp feel quite nice and cool for some time. It has a lovely fragrance, and you just lightly massage it, and there's no need to massage it in lots of it. Just make sure that you are shaking the bottle well before you apply it in your hair. I like to do that. I just love to massage it into my scalp. Cooling effect, and especially in the hot humid months, it can also help camouflage the little smell that emanates from your head when you've not had the time to wash it. As you can see, it's not sticky at all, and I just love it. You don't need to wash your hair after this application. You can just comb your hair, style your hair and get on to face your day. So that's it for today. If you like the content that I create, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Stay well, stay happy. Until we meet again, bye bye.